Hello everyone, welcome to the morning post on December 11. So in today's morning post, right, we'll discuss about some of the information that is shared by our Union Education Minister with regard to the competitive examinations. Like there were so many concerns and clarifications that students were looking for in terms of whether there will be cancellation of the exams or whether there will be postpone of exams, in how many attempts the exams will be conducted, especially because for the JEE we usually will have two attempts, right? One should be happening in the month of Jan, I mean as per the normal schedule. Another will be happening after the board examinations. So in the pandemic scenario, what is the kind of a timeline that is going to be there for the examinations? Okay, and will there be a reduction in terms of the syllabus and so on and so forth, like whatever the queries that students were having, he kind of tried to address it through his webinar. So what we'll do is we'll look at what are some of the very key aspects of that discussion. Okay, so first thing is like it happens usually, some of the students started asking with the very kind of an I don't want to call it as a pertinent question, but one of the very popular questions that would NEET 2021 be cancelled. I mean, for students up north, this might not be a statement that you will hear very often, but for the students in states like Tamil Nadu and all, this is a very buzzword. Okay, so should the NEET be cancelled, etc. But yeah, the same question has been posed to him, and he has kind of replied that there will be no cancellation of the NEET examination in 2021. It is going to happen. In fact, last year it has happened, but on a deferred date, again in the offline mode, pen and paper mode. Okay, and looking at the syllabus, because the CBSE has already indicated that there is a reduction in terms of syllabus. They have already given the guidelines. I mean, not sure to what extent the message has gone to the schools, etc., but they have given the guideline in terms of what is the revised syllabus for the current academic year. So he indicated that the JEE as well as the NEET questions, right, would be taken based on the CBSE reduced syllabus. Now the thing is, CBSE has reduced syllabus for both plus one as well as plus two in the current academic year. So would the syllabus be only taken in terms of reduction with regard to the plus two and the plus one will be totally coming, or they would in total consider the reduced syllabus as per the CBSE model? So that is something that we are still awaiting clarification on, and of course he mentioned that there will be further clarity provided on this in the coming time in terms of giving out the actual syllabus itself for these examinations. Okay, so this is an indication for students that okay, there could be a reduced syllabus on which we will be going and attempting the examinations in 2021. To what extent it will be reduced, that is to be seen, but there could be a reduction in terms of the overall syllabus. It's a good news for the students because at the end of the day we'll probably have at least like 4 or 5 chapters reduced in each of these physics, chemistry and bio if it's about NEET, and same way goes with the JEE also. Okay, so but we'll still have to wait for the final clarity on this. And since we are in a peculiar situation, obviously, of course, the last year NEET, still during the midst of the pandemic, it has been conducted via the offline mode or the pen and paper mode. It's a very Herculean task. In fact, it's one of the massive examinations of that scale to be conducted during the pandemic. But yeah, this year would there be a scope for the NEET to be made online? Because as such, NTA has been giving practice question papers to students through their app. So it could be an indication that they might as well try and switch over to the online mode. So there is an indication that is given with regard to this, where we could be having NEET 2021 held online mode, but this is no certainty. We'll still have to wait for the final confirmation. So if you look at most of the points in his interaction with the students, right, it could be seen like I mean an indicative talk rather than giving out real confirmation. So we'll have to wait for the final confirmations on these things, and if we are going to have the NEET online, Then just like the JEE, because the JEE means even in the previous years we used to have 2 attempts. So he also indicated that there could be a possibility of having these examinations multiple sessions. So in the idea that he not only talked about 2 attempts, he even talked about 3, 4, 5 attempts, which means that because typically if you look at the examinations like GRE and all that, right, they would be giving students an option to take multiple attempts. So the pattern could be moving in the direction, but at least for this year, right, what he kind of indicated is that there could be a possibility of having the examinations in multiple sessions. Of course, if it's a pen and paper examination, then having multiple attempts, right, could be very difficult. I mean, we can say it will not be possible. But if it is an online examination, then we could have NEET also having multiple attempts possibility for the students. But again, we'll have to wait for the final confirmation in terms of how many attempts will be given. So will it be 2 attempps, particularly for the JEE means, because already we have 2 attempts as per the previous year's format. But if there are going to be more number of attempts, how the dates will be given out, or will there be a choice for the students to pick up the dates? It will be like you will be given 4 attempts and you can choose possibly whatever dates you want to attempt. Could it be a situation like that? So we'll have to wait and see how the final modalities will be worked out. Okay, but it could be a good news in terms of making sure that students won't feel the stress of the final examination, etc., if even the NEET is going to be conducted in multiple attempts. Okay, then the other thing is with regard to the dates of these competitive examinations, right, because it would be linked in some way or the other to the board examination. So there is a confirmation regarding the CBSE board examinations also, that the examinations will be held, because last year I hope we remember that some of the examinations in CBSE they were cancelled, and the marking was allotted based on the internal scheme of things, etc. But there is indication that this year we are going to be having the board examinations. Okay, and the dates for this will be released in the month of December. That's what he kind of indicated, but we'll have to again really wait for the final dates to come, because definitely once these dates are announced, we'll be able to see that the dates for the competitive examinations, especially the NEET and JEE, we could see that those dates also will be announced. Okay, then another update with regard to the critical aspect of the practical examinations, because when they say that board examinations of 10th and 12th will be held, there was an important question about the practical examination. For that, he kind of suggested that there could be alternative options, maybe just a Viva being conducted or something like that. So he suggested that there could be some alternative possibilities that they would like to explore in terms of these practical examinations for the board. So this is what is the crux of the discussion that he has held with the students through webinar, and we'll keep you posted with regard to whatever the further updates that will come regarding these competitive examinations. Have a good day.